In Affinity Photo you can add multiple strokes to any shape, as well as a layer. I'm going to use a circle, so ellipse tool, hold down the shift. I'm going to start with a width for the stroke at 0. I'm also using the colour of yellow for the fill. You can change it to anything. Then go to the layers and click effects at the bottom. So click there, go to the outline, click and make certain it's highlighted, and then change the radius. And I'm just going to make it about 20. I'm using black, also outside. You can of course use centre or inside. Solid colour. And you can now click this little plus and that will add an additional stroke / outline. Just duplicates the current one. You can then change the colour. So click there and I'm going to go with orange. But also I want to change the radius. I'm just going to reduce it down to about 13. And now you can see the black as well as the orange. And you can click plus again and again change the colour. I'm going to go with green and again reduce the radius down to maybe 6 or 7. And then you see black, orange and green. Once you're happy, click close. With the shape tool selected, go up here and stroke, set the colour. I'm going to go with black. You can set it to 16 or 17. At this point, you might decide I want to save it. Simply go to the styles, which you can find in the window menu and styles, or view and studio if you're using version 1. Right side menu and go down to add style from selection. Click that and it's stored away for future use. You can also again go back here, just click and you see an option here for dashed style. So click and now you can see this design. You can vary the cap, so click and you can try out different settings. I'm just going to go with this, this and this. And also you can go down here for the dash style and you increase or decrease. Just drag and move that around. Also you can go here, you can set the phase to balanced, click there, or turn it off and then just set the phase setting by up and down or entering a value. Again, once you're happy with your design, you can always go over here to the styles and right side menu and go down to add style from selection, and it's stored away so you can reapply it at any time. If you're happy with your design now and you want to turn it into a pixel layer, go to layer and rasterize. Make certain you turn this off and rasterize. Now you can add the same style. Simply go to the styles and click and you've got the same design now applied. Now the stroke of course isn't added, just the outline. And you can then go to layer and down to rasterize again. Make certain you remember to turn that off and rasterize. And go to style again and click again. You can repeat this multiple times. You can of course also apply other styles. The design can then be modified using various filters such as deform as well as mirror and twirl. If you've got any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Also, a like or dislike, always appreciated. Thank you much.